So hi and hello everyone at Tejaswini and all my viewers who are watching this video today. We are now in the month of December and ready to move on to transit to new times. So we are in the passage of this new energetic movement, and if there is one energy word to describe the energies of December, I would say it is upgrade. Upgrade yourself, energetically rewire yourself for the new times. And upgrade would mean upgrade all aspects of our life which need a rewiring. And relationships is one of these very important aspects. And when I say relationships, it may be upgradation, maybe in terms of your interactions, in terms of communications, in terms of perhaps just being present for yourself and for others in the moment, and most of all, loving yourself. So for this purpose, I have got a brand new workshop for you, and it's a Christmas special because it's going to be available on 25th December from 3 to 6 p.m. on Skype. And all those who are interested can register in this workshop by 23rd. And you can see the details of this workshop on my page. It's right here down, and what I'm going to tell you today is about this workshop and what I intend to do in this workshop for you. The workshop is meant for anyone who is going through difficulties in relationships. It may be a relationship with a partner, with a spouse, with a family member, with a boss, with a colleague, or with any significant other person. And perhaps you're feeling frustrated, or perhaps you're wanting to rekindle an old relationship. With this workshop, if you're going through all this, then this workshop is meant for you. And what is this workshop going to do for you? This workshop will help you let go of these dysfunctional or unhealthy relationship patterns which may be recurring in your life. This workshop will help you build trusting relationships with your loved ones. And most important, it will help you express yourself in a relationship with honesty, compassion, and empathy. So, avail of this opportunity, benefit from the techniques which I am going to give to you in this workshop, and there will be 10 to 12 techniques, all again taken from different masters. Some of them are from traditional Indian masters, some techniques are from masters from abroad. So and none of these techniques are documented or written down anywhere. So these have come to me and I'm sharing these with you, and you're free to apply these techniques on yourself and to share them with your loved ones and with others. And many of you are seeking quick fixes, spiritual quick fixes for your life issues. So in these techniques, many of these techniques, you will find an immediate energetic shift in your patterns, in your relationships. You'll find, since these use energy healing methods, you will find the shift in the energies. So I'll just give you a brief of the kind of techniques which I will be sharing with you in this workshop, 3-hour workshop on 25th December, 3 to 6 p.m. on Skype. And so first it would be a number of energy healing techniques. For instance, I would be using energy matrix, constellations, mandalas for healing of your relationships. Then for family issues, there may be issues where entire families may be going through a particular pattern. A family healing geometry, beautiful technique for healing dysfunctional relationships in a family. Then for couples, couple healing, breath techniques borrowed from Tantra. It's a single breath technique which will help improve relationships with your partner. Then there is a technique called the fluid movement of energy, which uses visual energy as a tool, visual imagery as a tool for directing energy for manifestation of a relationship situation. And then of course, how to settle down your emotions whenever there is an issue, how you balance yourself at that particular point of time. So there will be technique for that. And if you have heard of this system of Wicca, so it's an Anglo-Saxon pagan practice, and it's popular in many circles, also called the craft of the wise. And it's basically nature-based rituals and practices in which the Wiccans call them spells. So there may be spells for healing, spells for love, spells for relationships, for health, for all issues of life, and they are called spells. And some people call it magic, some people call it various names to it. So I will be giving you, for relationships they are called love spells, so I will be giving you a love spell for immediately shifting the energies in order to fix a relationship. Then mantras. Now mantras are quantum sound frequencies, vibrations, high frequency vibrations which will just go off into the cosmos and it will manifest certain things for you. So I will give you mantras for healing relationships and for reducing the malefic influences of planets which may be affecting your relationships. Then number codes. Numbers again are energy vibrations. They contain embedded energy vibrations. So numbers can be used for healing. So I would be giving you these numerical codes for healing relationships along with powerful affirmations for manifesting the relationship that you want in your life. And then shamanic practice. A shamanic practice for union of the inner masculine and the feminine energies, the mother and the father energies, which will help your relationship issues. Now what is shamanism? Shamanism is once again an ancient healing tradition which believes in connecting to transcendental energies and bringing them for your healing and for your practical uses. So we will be doing this practice. Then finally, a neuro-linguistic programming, which is again the whole modern Western system of changing the way energy or information is processed and moves through your neural pathways. So changing your neural pathways in order to bring about certain change in behavioral outcomes. So we will be using 2-3 NLP techniques for bringing about shifts in relationship issues. And for instance, a technique would be a point of view technique or a perceptual position exercise, where you would be seeing the relationship from the perceptual position of the significant other with whom you're having an issue. So that is an entire exercise which can help you develop a very different perspective to your issue. And then techniques, for instance, there's a technique, I'm reminded of a technique called the Godiva chocolate pattern, a very interesting technique where you can replace an old pattern with a complete new pattern. It can be actually used for rekindling an old relationship, a relationship which may have lost its shine and color. It can be brought back. So I have these assortment of techniques learned and brought into this workshop from various sources, from various masters, and this workshop is going to be held on 25th December through Skype from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. You have to complete all the registrations by 23rd December. So you can go through the details of how to register yourself in this event page, and I'm sure you're going to be benefited by the techniques which I will be sharing with you. And they are takeaway techniques, so you can always practice them. Some of them will immediately create a shift in your life, and all of them can be practiced at your convenience, shared. You can practice it with the people with whom you're having problems. You can do anything you want to do. You can share it with them. You can do it yourself. So I hope to see you in this workshop, and I promise that you will be immensely benefited by the techniques which will be shared to you on 25th December, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Skype. So see you soon. Goodbye for now. And for any queries, you can always message me at 9885801214. Any queries about this workshop or any other practices that you would perhaps like to take from Tejaswini, you can see my wellness packages on my page and on my website, which is chandanasingh.wixsite.com/Tejaswini. So hope to hear from you and see you in this workshop on love and relationships on 25th December, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. over Skype. Bye-bye for now.